Welcome back. Math test. 9 on 4 to the power 9 on 2 is equals to what? Solve in 15 seconds. Okay, here we go. We know that 9 on 4 to the power 9 on 2 is equals to 9 on 4 to the power 1 on 2 times 9. So at this level, we have here 9 on 4 to the power 1 on 2, all these to the power 9. Okay, and we know that power 1 on 2 is equals to the square root. So at this level, we have the square root of 9 divided by the square root of 4, all this to the power 9. Okay, so this will be equals to 3 divided by 2, all this to the power 9. So 9 on 4 to the power 9 on 2 is equals to 3 on 2 to the power 9.